Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Cassie. Today's video I'm so excited to film because I'm going to be using the new MakeupShayla x ColourPop collab. I did purchase the entire collection, so I'm super excited to get right on into it. Alright, so I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade 36. Literally, since the reveal that Shayla did, saying that she had a collection coming out, I was like super excited because I really like Shayla. I think she's awesome. And I like ColourPop products. I think they're really good and they're inexpensive, so that's a plus. I really like that. That was really easy to blend out, and I really like the color. Pulling me back, I know not tonight. Pulling me back, I know not tonight. It feels like I can't hold on. Alright, so the concealer is done. It looks really nice. I like the color. It was easily blendable. So now I'm just going to take my Real Technique sponge and blend it out just a little bit more so it looks really seamless. So I'm going to set my under eye with the NYX Mineral Matte Finishing Powder. Whew, I keep forgetting how freaking messy this stuff is. So now for the fun part, I honestly don't know what look I'm gonna do because I love all the colors in the palette. So yeah, I'm first gonna start out with the shade Culture, which is this shade right here. Now I'm going to take the shade Thick, which is this orange color down here on the bottom, and I'm just going to layer that over Culture and into my crease, kind of dragging it into my inner corner. Alright, now I think I'm going to go in with the shade Revenge, which is this like burnt orange, almost like maroonish shade. It's really nice. And I'm just going to kind of concentrate on the outside and just drag it just a little bit into the crease. I'm gonna take another brush and just go back in with the shade Culture and blend it all out. Now I'm going to use a really condensed brush and take the shade Ooh, which is this kind of purple tone brown color right here, and I'm just going to keep that in the crease. Yeah, I like that. Okay, and I'm not going to dip back into the palette. I'm just going to use the same brush that I picked up the color Revenge with and just kind of blend that out. And I think for the lid, I really want to use, ooh, it's hard. I kind of want to use Strut and Slay or Diva or Spill the Tea. I'm not sure. I think with the shades I'm going with already, I think I'm going to take Strut and Slay, which is this like pure rose gold color. It's like amazing. So first I'm going to just go into it with my finger and pop it on my eyelid. Oh. I really like how this goes on with your finger. Like, it just, I can't even describe it. Like, I'm literally speechless. I'm shook. absolutely love it. Are you kidding me? Like, oh my god, I love this. So I'm just gonna use my blending brush and just kind of buff it around so everything looks really clean. I'm absolutely in love with this, like in love. Yeah, it was a little bit messy on this eye, so we're just gonna clean up. So now I'm just gonna take shade back onto the small little blending brush and just put a little bit more on the outer corners so it's just a little bit darker. So yeah, just blending that out one more time. I just think that I blended a little too much last time and I kind of lost that darker color. So for the inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Unbothered, which is this really pretty, like, really light gold color. All right, and for under the lash line, I'm first going to take the shade Revenge. I love this color. I absolutely love this color. And I'm also going to take the shade Played Out, which is just a really classic like brown shade that you need in every palette. I'm just going to concentrate that on the outside, or on the outermost part of my lower lash line. I love this. I'm absolutely living, absolutely living. I want to see if I can put just a little bit more of Strut and Slay on my lid using a brush. Yes, yep, there we go. I just want it really super bright. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes, do some eyeliner, some mascara, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I am done with the eyes. I'm just going to take a brush and get rid of all that excess setting powder that I had. And I'm just going to bronze my face, and then we're gonna get into the highlight, and I'm so excited. Tonight, pulling me back, I know not tonight. Pulling me back, I know not tonight. It feels like I can't hold on. Alright, and for blush, I'm going to use the Benefit California blush, and it's just like a really pretty like coral pink shade. So Shayla came out with two loose highlighters, and one is in the shade Pose and the other is in the shade Boomin'. So Boomin' is a more like pure gold highlight and is super pretty. And then Pose is like a coppery rose gold highlight, which I love also. I did a lot of rosy, like orange colors on my eyes, so I kind of just want to try Boomin' and just get like a pure gold highlight. Yeah, and I'm kind of going to carry it into my, what is this? Underneath my brow. Yeah, that looks really nice. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I'm not gonna lie, I am not the most comfortable when it comes to like loose pigment highlighters, just because I don't tend to, you know, reach for them. But these are super pretty. I'm going to, just because I'm super curious, I haven't swatched Pose yet, but I'm just like, just have to. So this is what Pose looks like, and that's really pretty too. But I do think that for this look, I kind of wanted like a gold. I feel like I'm just living for this sunset eye. Like that's how I feel. Like, bring me to the beach, give me a drink, like, and I'm good. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm going to swatch them on my hand, and then I'm just going to pick which shade I think I'm going to use. I pretty much already know which one I really want to use, but I'm just going to swatch them. So this first shade is Quickie. Ooh, yeah, I like that. I like that. So let's see what the next one is. Next one is, ooh, Peachy Nude. Yes. Yeah, look at that. Like, oh my goodness. I really like that one. Like, really, really like this one. And then the last one is Come On Sis, which is like the darkest of the three. And that's what she looks like. So I think I'm gonna go with Ooh. I'm going to lightly line my lips with the ColourPop BFF3 pencil. It is super dark, so I don't want to go too crazy. And now I'm just going to use like a super flat brush and try to like blend that down my lip. That way there's no like super harsh line, because I'm not trying to go like for this 90s, you know, brown lip liner and clear gloss type of look. Alright, so now going in with the shade Ooh. She's super, super cute. They feel so good. I think I'm also going to add just a little bit of Quickie to this also. And last but not least, the last item of the collection is the Ultra Glossy Lip, and this is in the shade Neat Freak. So this is the finished look. I am really happy with everything in this collection. I feel like the eyes are my favorite part. Like, I just love the entire palette. I think the shadows were really awesome. They're really easy to blend out, and they're super, super pigmented. And I just am really, really happy with how this look came out. I had no idea what I was going for when I started, but I'm really happy with what we ended up with. So like always, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.